Hello, Auto Express viewers. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the highly anticipated 2026 Nissan Patrol. In this video, we'll cover everything from its new interior and exterior design to performance and pricing, so make sure you watch until the end. Let's start with the exterior. The 2026 Nissan Patrol looks more modern and powerful than ever. The front grille has a large chrome finish, giving it a strong and premium presence, while the slim LED headlights provide sharp, precise illumination, ensuring excellent visibility during night driving. The bumper design is more streamlined, improving aerodynamics, giving the SUV both a solid and sophisticated look. From the side, the body lines are more refined, emphasizing the vehicle's size while adding a dynamic feel. The wheel arches and door lines are perfectly balanced, and wheel options go up to 22 inches, enhancing both aesthetics and stability. The rear design features wide tail lamps and chrome trim, giving the Patrol a strong, luxurious presence even from behind. Moving to the interior, the 2026 Nissan Patrol offers more spaciousness and higher quality materials than previous models. One of the most noticeable changes is the center console. It now features a large touchscreen display that controls navigation, media, and vehicle settings, all in a user-friendly layout. The steering wheel is wrapped in leather with metal accents, providing a solid and premium feel. Seating is available in 3 rows, offering comfort even on long trips. The front seats come with power adjustment and memory settings, allowing drivers to fine-tune the seat to their preferences. The second row has ample legroom and headroom, comfortably seating 3 adults, while the third row is suitable for children or 1 to 2 adults. The seat materials are both durable and soft, ensuring a comfortable ride over long distances. Convenience features have also been upgraded. Wireless smartphone charging, a Wi-Fi hotspot, and the latest infotainment system make long journeys or family trips much easier. The air conditioning and heating system are improved, providing consistent temperature control across all seats, and the cabin includes an air purification system for a cleaner and more comfortable environment. Storage solutions, cup holders, and console compartments have been thoughtfully designed to accommodate everyday items and beverages. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Nissan Patrol offers strong engine options and a stable suspension setup. V6 and V8 engines are available, delivering around 400 to 450 horsepower. Despite being a large SUV, it accelerates smoothly and maintains stability at high speeds. The 4-wheel drive system provides excellent traction and grip for off-road conditions, and various driving modes allow the vehicle to adapt to snow, unpaved roads, or desert environments. The suspension has been improved for better comfort in urban driving while absorbing shocks effectively off-road. Braking is reliable, ensuring the SUV stops safely even during sudden braking. Steering is surprisingly responsive for a large SUV, making both city and highway driving comfortable. Noise and vibration are well controlled, reducing fatigue during long trips. Safety features are also enhanced. The latest ADAS systems include forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross traffic alert. A 360-degree camera and parking assist make maneuvering a large SUV much easier. These features are especially useful for families with children or pets, providing peace of mind on every trip. Pricing is competitive. The base 2026 Nissan Patrol starts around $70,000 USD, while fully loaded top trim models can reach about $105,000 USD. Considering the features, performance, and safety offered, the Patrol delivers good value. It's an appealing choice for anyone looking for a versatile SUV that handles both city streets and off-road adventures. In summary, the 2026 Nissan Patrol is a significant upgrade in every aspect: exterior design, interior comfort, performance, safety, and pricing. The exterior is bold yet elegant, the interior is spacious and comfortable, and it comes with the latest technology and safety features. The powerful engine and 4-wheel drive system offer both driving pleasure and stability. The price point is reasonable for the value it offers, making it an attractive option for families, adventurers, and anyone looking for a high-performance SUV. That's it for today's video. We've covered the 2026 Nissan Patrol in detail, including its design, interior, performance, safety features, and pricing. We hope this review helps you make a more informed decision. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave your questions or opinions in the comments below. We'll be back with more reviews of the latest vehicles soon. Thanks for watching Auto Express.